You know, I'm a little bit bothered by the fact that we had a big sale Saturday and a lot of people came in and we sold several woodworking t-shirts, but nobody bought any of the new Uncle Sam shirt, which is my personal favorite. But I think the problem is not the design, but the display. So I have a solution to fix everything with wood. Hey, can you do me a favor?
No. Perfect. I don't want that picture.
Okay, let's search for t-shirt model. There he is. That's the guy right there. Perfect. It's all about having the right salesman.
Morning.
Morning. How did you change shirts so fast?
I'm glad they finally hired some good-looking, intelligent people around here.